Hi everyone, I'm Ebony and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how I create my high puff. Now for me, a high puff is one of my everyday hairstyles. It's if I don't have anything to do with my hair, I'm probably rocking a high puff. So I've pretty much perfected my technique. So to start, my hair is stretched and it's dirty. It definitely needs to be washed, but today is not wash day, so I'm about to rock a high puff. So I'm using some Eco Styler gel, the olive oil Eco Styler gel to be specific, and I'm just applying it all around my perimeter. Next, I'm taking my brush and I'll be brushing my hair up as if I'm creating a top knot bun or a ponytail. Disclaimer, I don't really fuss too much with my edges on the daily basis. I know some people spend a lot of time on them and I don't. If I want to, I will make them really sleek and all that, but day in and day out, I typically look like this, and I think it's super fly. I think we put a lot of pressure on ourselves to make sure our edges are super laid and all that, and I really don't think it's necessary. So I just wanted to come in and clarify if, you see my edges aren't super laid, or you notice that I'm not about to go in and do the whole toothbrush technique. But moving on, the next step after I've brushed out my hair is just to take a really large banded ponytail holder, and I basically just take my hair and I act as if I'm making a ponytail holder, except I'm not. I'm making a puff, so I just leave the band around my hair pretty loosely, and this is the final look. I would love to hear your opinion down in the comment section below regarding your edges. I know it can be a bit controversial. I have some people saying to me, girl, you need to put some edge control on your edges, while some people are like, girl, leave your edges alone, they look fine. And I am team leave your edges alone because they are fine. So please let me know how you feel in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.